Hello, Ken. This is Dave once again, and I want to demonstrate how this DevOps infrastructure has been set up. Um, so, what we did here, right now, we have created one repository called Tomb Raider. It is a code name for our front end. We have created one EC2 front end, and in the meantime, I want to grab your attention here also. I have seen on your east zone one Windows server has been created by some other people I don't know about, but please uh, take a note about if it is something unauthorized access, please take an action because I can see. I'll show you one thing. This is the server called Logis, and it is also using T2 Micro. Anyway, so we have created one server in US West zone with elastic load balancer uh, to serve on Europe for now with only one load balancer, and after that we can add more load balancer with Germany region, then all other the Europe region according to our usage. For now it is well enough. What's happening? Should go to this region. So here is actually I have created the front end that I am going to show you how it works. And here is the Docker build, the automated build we have created. First, let me show you how it works actually. So let me share my other screen. So here I have already pulled the Docker image, and let me run this Docker image. And so this Docker image is running is on standalone mode, and let me share my other screen. So here is the public DNS, and there we go. This is the UX we are working on. Um, we have created the skeleton UX, like here is the menus, and here is the create menus when user want to create um, specific documents like invoice, international invoice, repayment, and all. And this is the slide menu, and this is completely mobile compatible. Okay. So basically, we are working with the contents of these things, all the forms and all. Today's demonstration is actually about the DevOps. So now we want to change something. Let's say We will be changing in our local, let's say we will be changing this title things, and we will be pushing to the GitHub, and we'll be testing whether it is working or not. Okay, so let me just stop the build here. This is the repo, and let me share my other screen again. And I'm changing this title. Let's see, Celero dashboard. Okay. Great. So it is pushed. Um, Let me see the build. Oh, let me share my other screen. And there we go. This build has been started. It takes at least 10 to 15 minutes of time to build entire image. So hang on for this much of time. What we will do actually after this build has been succeeded, we will just pull this image once again to our repository. Sorry, in our container. We are using Red Hat container here. This is the front end container, and we are using Red Hat Linux. We'll be just pulling this image, and we will test whether this title has been changed or not. Okay. So if this succeeded, then we are done with our all infrastructure things and all the server configurations of the of our estimation that we have given. Um, So in between, I'm just muting the things. Let me see. um, control room. Yes, here it is. Okay, so while it is building, let's. Uh, I want to discuss about what we are going to do uh, in our upcoming days. As here, we will be creating these two functionality: the create invoice one and the list of invoices. So the create invoices will have one entire form here according to your reference, and it will create the form, and first it will store it into blockchain. Then all the details will be stored in a private blockchain data, and also a REST API will be created for this where the hash will be stored. And on the main network, right now we will be using Ropsten testnet. There, this hash will be referenced for authenticity. Okay, so this is the things we're going to do upcoming days, and hopefully we can complete it by next couple of days. And yes, we want your logo to be put here. This is a default Start UI logo that we are using, the Start UI admin. Um, let's see the build. Still, it is building. Um, what we'll be doing here after it gets succeeded, we will throw 2-3 comments on our Red Hat container and update our production server. Right now it is in staging, so update our staging server. We could have put another intermediate server as a CD server, continuous delivery server, but I don't think we want to. We should do it because it will take another extra T2 micro server, and it will take is I mean it is like for 2-3 commands only. It takes a little bit of charges. I don't think it's not necessary for now. When lots of containers will be there, maybe we can need that time. So the last one of my build has been completed over 35 minutes, but I don't think it should take 35 minutes on the second build, because um, all the dependency files has been uploaded. Mm, yes, so all these dependencies has been uploaded, so it should not take that much of time. So hopefully you can understand what is actually uh, it is the DevOps, because whenever we will be doing all our development on our local machines, and whenever we are logical, or we are into some points, logical points, that we have created something meaningful, and we just have to push it to the GitHub, and then it is automatically built and delivered to the main server or the staging server. This is the process. It's taking longer time. So you can see this, it is succeeded. Now I am sharing my other Linux machine. Here it is. So we should pull one more time. Yes. Okay. Now we are we are going to spin up one more container here. So let's see what has been changed. Yes, you can see this. This title is changed. That means our DevOps is working correctly and our infrastructure is all working correctly. So this is the thing, and I'm not making this UX available now because we will be working little bit here, and I don't want to spin up the server forever. This the Red Hat server um, for some time because we will save some free tier usage. Or if you want, let's make it by tomorrow because tomorrow we are going to update more things here with the forms and all. Okay, so um, I think yes. So it is not shown on my other screen. Yes, please see this here. Yes. So here it is. The title is changed. Last time my other screen was shared. So hope you can you can see this. So that's it for today. Thank you.